How's it going, guys? Starting another video. This is my 1993 Acura Integra. I'm currently working on the hydro conversion. As you can see, we got the DAV2, the hydro conversion bracket with the master cylinder almost installed. It's kind of tight, but I'm gonna be working on that a lot more today. But yeah, so I'm gonna be working more on the hydro conversion on this car. These are my terribly bent brake lines because it took forever to ship my NICOP lines that I was going to run. So I just use these from the old OEM lines that were there, and I'm gonna probably just replace them anyway with the NICOP stuff because it finally came in. I was just impatient. Gonna work done to this thing. I still gotta button up some things on the suspension. Do a little bit more deleting engine bay, and delete power steering and all the lines and everything. So yeah, I got a little bit of my work cut out for me today. I'm looking to get at least a bit of it done today, hopefully. Darvin should be coming. Don't know exactly when because he does not wake up until probably 1 p.m. on days off. He said he might be working on his Integra as well, but we'll see. But yeah, I'll start working on this and I'll update you guys as I go. But yeah. Now I got the pedal assembly fully bolted in. So now on the kit there's this little this little part right here, like a little kind of support bracket. You have to, let me get the flashlight. So there's two holes up in there, and you have to drill into the body right here, and they have little Rivna inserts that you have to put in. So with it bolted in completely right now, I can see where I have to mark for the holes to drill. So I'm just gonna mark those holes and drill them, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so now I got it pulled back out. As you can see, I got the holes marked where I have to drill. Right now I'm pulling the rest of the, I guess that would be like front chassis harness, front engine bay harness. It runs under the whole dash on both sides. So getting that all pulled up because it came with, that's a dash harness. Came with a brand new one, so definitely gonna be using this one because it looks a lot cleaner. This one is pretty cut up. So just working on the rest of the interior out on the front end to get all that pulled. So yeah. Alright, so now I have the entire front chassis harness pulled out along with the ECU, which I didn't know came with the car, but it did have one. So that's the remaining wires over there for the rest of the body. Alright, new harness, just kind of laid in there. Got the, almost this section on the driver's side, almost done. I'm going to zip tie this up right here. We're doing everything down the side to the wiper fluid, headlight. This I'm pretty sure is for the brake reservoir and all that. I'm gonna do this side first, finish this up, and then start on the other side. Alright, so we got Darvin here now. What are you working on?
trying to fix my door handle because for some reason I broke where the rod actually stays in the clip. So now I can't open it from the outside. And okay, now I'm breaking everything. From what I've seen on YouTube, it's just 2 screws and 2 bolts. But I might be wrong, so I don't. Okay. So that might have just broken there. Don't know. Never mind. We're good. Honda. See? That's how you get rid of it. See, this is why the car is so quiet. I kind of want to do that on that. On everything, actually. And just like that, that's how you take the door card off. I did about 10% of the work. And then that.
I think they had this off before.
No, I took this off.
No. Oh, you took it off?
Yeah.
I was gonna say that too.
No, that was me. That was me.
You gotta plug it back in.
Yup. That's not even the right one. Yeah, I was supposed to like. I didn't do nothing. I'm lying, I broke it.
What you do now?
The whole door handle broke. I can't open it from the outside. So where the rod clips in, that whole entire thing broke.
The plastic part?
Nah, it was a
tire in
metal.
the front seat.
Oh, I
What
have
did you take a
7
picture of me
tires.
for?
It's a video. We're YouTubers now.
Oh, you're YouTubers now.
There's 7 tires that I
Sure,
got
let's
off
get
of
a
work
picture
for
of my
free.
bald head. Where's
That's just supposed to pop out and it's not. Would there be a rod connected to the lock cylinder?
Yeah.
So the people on YouTube lied to me. I forgot where the bolt is. Hold up, this is door handle.
Alexa, I'm just gonna be like all the way over here.
See, why don't I just get the actual door handle, just look at it?
push
Yeah.
that through and then it'll go right in. Okay, same thing with out. You just kind of have to wiggle it around.
I should really paint this. Never mind, I'm too lazy, I'm not doing that. See, now I gotta transfer this to here and then.
So now we're swapping the.
So, yeah, all the stuff that we didn't record was taken off the door handle, and now we're just putting the door handle back together how it was. Well, I'm removing the lock cylinder, so I'm still able to open it with the key. And then we're just gonna put everything back in, and then hopefully it actually works. And just like your dad said, it is. There we go. See, just like your dad said, it's back on. Now I have.
Alright, so we got both the rods on, handles on, tighten all the way. So now we're just gonna close it, see what happens.
Just be patient, cause
Oh, it works.
I can finally open my door from the inside, from the outside, instead of having to walk go all the way around to open the door.
So now we're just gonna get the rest of the door card buttoned up, and we'll be done with this install.
Would it be bad if I clickbait?
So install is basically complete.
Nothing being recorded. We don't worry about that.
Oh, there it goes.
Honda's done. Wait, hold up. And just like that, the car is done. I can open it from the outside. And then we're climbing through the windows. I got a paint match though. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, $100 left. $100 after.
So after we got the IS300 done, Darvin's over here actually cleaning his wheels.
See, that was a while ago when we finished that car. We just have done actually too much stuff. So these are my 18s, these are my SSRs. This is the white set that I have. One of them is cracked, and I just got new wheels for it. So that's why I'm cleaning them. And then tomorrow I'm gonna have new tires on them that at least hold air. Why am I cleaning the cracked one?
Make it
This is
look,
literally the cracked one.
that's when you're cleaning first.
Yeah, which is like what I'm thinking about. Like, what? Like, why am I doing this one?
Well, it's already half done. Might as well keep going.
Half. Have you seen what it looks on the inside?
Alright, so Darvin finished cleaning his wheels. He's heading home. He's got everything loaded up in the back and the passenger seat.
I have 6 wheels right behind me. I have 1 wheel in the back, and I have a tire right here. I could only go through first and second, and the e-brake, I have to move the tire to put it up and down. We'll see how this actually sounds and goes.
So now with Darvin gone, I'm left here. I'm probably just gonna finish up working on my Integra. Like I said before, I didn't get much more done before. I got the other harness out. I got this harness basically most of the way in. I was working on cleaning up the fuse box. But yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna clean up more on the inside and go from there. Alright guys, end the video here. I got the hydro conversion kit fully mounted. I got the holes drilled up there, the inserts put in and everything. Pedals are kind of bolted down. I just have them, the one at the throttle cable and then the one all the way up top put in, because I still have to change out that booster anyway because people say the issues with that. The harness is most of the way in. I just gotta zip tie and button up a little bit of things over here. But other than that, it's time for me to finally clean up. I gotta put my 240 back in the garage. But yeah, the Integra's coming along pretty nice. It's got definitely a lot more work to do. But hydro conversion is at least basically done, except running the lines to the clutch itself. But that's for another time to do. Because for now, I'm basically done. Super sweaty because it's hot out right now, but done for today. We'll be editing this soon, so you guys will have another video to watch. But yeah, that's it for today.